Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Canon printer to your PC using a USB cable. This method is quick, easy, and works for most Canon printers. So let's get started. First, make sure that your printer is connected to your PC by using a USB cable. Then connect the power cable to the printer into the power socket. After you connect your printer, turn on the printer. Now, let's move to your PC. I will do this using the Canon Print App from the Microsoft Store, because I think it is easy to use, gives you more options, and lets you manage your printer efficiently. To do this, open the Microsoft Store. Then search for Canon Print. Once it appears, select the app. From there, tap Get or Install to download and install it. Wait a few seconds or up to a minute, depending on your internet speed, for the app to download and install. Once the app is installed, open it. At the start, you may need to accept some license agreements. Just tap Agree to continue. After this, the app will check for required files and will start downloading any additional items that are needed for use. During this installation, it may ask you to allow location access. Just click Allow to continue. This helps the app provide full functionality. After that, the process will continue automatically. Then the app will ask you to make sure that your printer is turned on. If it's not, just turn it on and click Next. When everything is ready, the app will again ask how you want to connect your printer. Select USB connection and click Next. The app will then detect your printer, and it will appear in a small pop-up. Here just click OK to confirm. You'll then be redirected to ij.start.canon, Canon's official setup page. This page will help you download the correct software and drivers for your printer. Once the page loads, enter your printer model in the search field, or you can even select it manually from the list of printer models below. Once you find it, select your printer. In the next step, click on Start. Next, select Connecting to a computer or smartphone. Then click Download to begin downloading the Canon installer. Once the file has finished downloading, open it to start the setup process. Click Next and simply follow the steps shown on your screen. The installation may take a few minutes, so just let it run until everything is completed. During the setup, you'll see some license and agreement windows. Click Yes or Agree to move forward. A bit later in the installation, you'll be asked how you want to connect your printer. Choose USB connection or connect via cable, then click Next. The installer may ask you to confirm that your printer is turned on and connected via USB. If it is, click Next to continue. During installation, you may see license agreements or prompts. Just click Yes or Agree to continue. The software will automatically detect your printer through the USB cable. Once detection is complete, the installer will download and install the necessary drivers. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Just wait until it finishes. After installation, your Canon printer is now fully connected to your PC via USB. You can print, scan, and manage your printer directly from your computer. On the Canon Print App, you'll see that your printer is online. This app is convenient because you can check ink levels, scan documents, and access other features easily. Now, let's make a quick test to be sure everything is working. I'll scan a document. First, place the document or photo you want to scan inside the printer. Next, open the Canon Print App and select Scan. Here you can adjust your scan settings, like quality, color, or any other preferences you need. Once you're ready, tap Scan again in the lower right corner. After a few seconds, the scanned image will appear on your screen, and you're all set. And that's it! Your Canon printer is now connected via USB and ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.